welcome back. In this class of our session, we will dive into the significance of the bottom of the pyramid market. Now that we have explored the origin and history of BOP concept, this is the time to understand why this market is so important for businesses today. We will discuss how the BOP market presents unique opportunities for growth, innovation and positive social impacts. So, let us begin by discussing why the BOP market matters. First point, BOP market is very important because it is having significant aggregate purchasing power. While each individual consumer at the BOP may have limited purchasing power, the combined economic potential of this group is massive. For example, the collective purchasing power of the BOP population in countries like India, China, Brazil, Mexico is actually larger than the GDP of several developed economies. This represents a vast untapped market available. Companies that recognize this can unlock new growth opportunities by designing products and services that are both affordable and accessible. By tailoring their offering to meet the unique needs and constraints of these consumers, businesses can tap into this significant yet often overlooked market. The second point which shows this market is important is potential for growth and innovation. Engaging with the BOP market compels companies to innovate and rethink their traditional business models. The constraint faced by BOP consumers such as limited income, irregular cash flow and lack of access to conventional retail channels force companies to create innovative solutions in product design, pricing and distribution. For instance, Grameen Bank in Bangladesh revolutionized traditional banking by offering micro loans to the poor that demonstrate that low income consumers are creditworthy and capable of entrepreneurship. This model has since been replicated worldwide, showcasing that engagement with the BOP can lead to innovative and profitable business strategies. The third point which shows that it is a very important market is this market can drive social impact through business. Engaging with the BOP market is not just about making profits, it is also about creating meaningful social impact. Businesses can improve livelihood, reduce poverty and build stronger communities by providing access to goods and services that enhance quality of life. For example, ITC came up with eChopal initiative in India. It empowers farmers by providing direct access to market information. This enables farmers to make informed decisions, improving their productivity and income. This initiative highlights how businesses can create value for themselves while also contributing to positive social change. Technological leapfrogging is another important reason to see this market. BOP markets are often at the forefront of technological leapfrogging, where they adopt newer technologies that bypass traditional infrastructure. A prime example is the widespread adoption of mobile banking in Africa, where services like M-Pesa have transformed how millions of people conduct financial transactions. This leapfrogging not only drives innovations but also accelerates the integration of BOP consumers into the global economy, creating new business opportunities and improving the quality of life for this population. The next point which shows its importance is it has a strong contribution to the economy. The BOP market is not just a social initiative but a significant driver of economic growth. Despite their low individual income, the BOP population represents a vast untapped market with immense collective purchasing power. Engaging with this market can lead to creation of new economic opportunities such as micro entrepreneurship, which stimulates local economies and also contributes to overall economic development. For instance, microfinance initiatives have empowered millions at the BOP to start businesses, fundamentally altering their economic landscape and driving growth from ground to up. The next important point which says BOP is significant is resilient attitude of this market. The BOP market is characterized by its resilience and adaptability. Consumers in this segment often face numerous challenges such as irregular income, limited access of resources, yet they exhibit remarkable resourcefulness and innovation in meeting their needs. This resilience presents businesses with the opportunity to develop products and services that align with the adaptive strategies already employed by BOP consumers. By creating solutions that cater to this market's unique circumstances, companies can build loyal customer bases that contribute to sustained business growth even in challenging economic environments. Another importance of this segment is it is a diverse segment. We call BOP as one segment, but within BOP there are many diverse segments exist. The BOP market is not a monolith. It comprises diverse segments with varying needs, preferences and behaviors. Understanding these nuances is crucial for businesses to tailor their strategies effectively. For instance, the need of rural BOP consumer may differ significantly from those in urban slums. Businesses that recognize and address these distinctions can develop more targeted and successful products, thereby unlocking new markets within the broader BOP segments. This segmentation approach allows companies to innovate and scale their operations more effectively across different geographies and demographics. So, next important for BOP is policy and government support for them. Governments in many developing countries recognize the importance of the BOP market and have implemented policies to support its development. These policies often include subsidies, tax incentives and infrastructure investments, which aimed at improving access to goods and services for BOP populations. Businesses that align their strategies with these government initiatives can benefit from additional support and partnerships, further enhancing their ability to serve this market effectively. Now, in next part of our session, we will see how we can overcome challenges and misconceptions which exist in traditional market about BOP segment. Let's see misconception number 1. It is a misconception that poor have no money. A common misconception is that people at the BOP lack the money to spend. While their individual purchasing power may be limited, the aggregate demand of this market is immense. For example, residents of Dharavi, a large slum in Mumbai, often end up paying more for basic goods than middle class consumers due to limited access to affordable market. This shows that there is a substantial spending potential at the BOP and businesses can unlock this potential by offering product at lower prices, and they can often achieve by eliminating intermediaries or innovating in delivery models. Let us talk about misconception 2. The poor do not need sophisticated products. This is another misconception that BOP consumer do not need or desire sophisticated products or technologies. In reality, they are eager to adopt new technologies that add value to their lives and which are also affordable. For instance, M-Pesa, a mobile payment service in Kenya, revolutionized financial services for millions of unbanked consumers by allowing them to transfer money, pay bills and access credit through their phones. This example illustrates that BOP consumer not only desire sophisticated products but can also drive demand for them when these products address their real life challenges. The third challenge which we see is reaching and engaging the BOP market. One of the main challenge of serving the BOP market is considered as reaching consumers who often live in remote areas with limited infrastructure. However, innovative distribution models can overcome these barriers. For example, Hindustan Lever's Project Shakti uses local women as distributor to reach remote rural areas, creating new distribution networks and building trust with local consumers. This approach demonstrates how business can reach underserved market by leveraging local community networks. So let's see few example and case study of successful BOP engagement. First, as we were talking about, Hindustan Lever Limited, Project Shakti. HLL's Project Shakti is a notable example of successful BOP engagement. By training rural women to become direct-to-home distributors, HLL extended its reach into rural markets while creating new income opportunities for thousands of women. This approach not only drove business growth, but it also empowered women economically, improving the quality of life in rural communities and also fostering local entrepreneurship. Another good example which already we covered during one of the discussion was Grameen Bank, microfinance for the poor. Grameen Bank's model of microfinance has transformed how we think about lending to low income population. By offering small loans without requiring collateral, the bank enabled millions of people to start small businesses and improve their economic conditions. This approach demonstrated the poor are not only bankable, but they are also highly entrepreneurial when given the opportunity to them, providing that financial inclusion can drive both social and economic development. Another example, very successful in Indian market is Arvind Eye Care System. Affordable healthcare it is. Arvind Eye Care System in India provides a pioneering model for delivering high quality healthcare at a very affordable cost by employing an assembly line approach to cataract surgery and cross subsidizing care. Arvind has made eye care accessible to millions who could not otherwise afford it. This model highlights how businesses can create scalable and sustainable solution for BOP markets by focusing on operational efficiency and innovation. Now let's see some global opportunities which are available at the BOP market. Global market in BOP is also expanding. The BOP market represents a vast opportunity for businesses looking to enter new market. Product and innovations which are designed for BOP consumer such as low cost medical devices, renewable energy solutions and mobile banking technologies often find applications in more developed market as well. For example, General Electric's portable ECG machine, initially developed for rural India, is now used globally in both developing as well as developed countries. This demonstrates the far-reaching impact and potential of innovations targeting to the BOP market. Now, these innovations which we are talking about should be targeted by driving innovations as well as efficiency. Engaging with the BOP often leads companies to develop new, more efficient way of doing business. For instance, automakers in India have used frugal engineering technique to design affordable cars for the BOP markets. These cost-effective design principles have since been applied in other markets as well, proving that innovation aimed at the BOP can benefit businesses globally. So, at conclusion, what we can understand is the BOP concept encourages businesses to see low income populations not just as passive recipient of aid or charity, but also as active value conscious consumers. Companies that successfully engage with the BOP market are those that understand the unique need of these consumers and develop products and services that are affordable, accessible and desirable. Engaging with the BOP allows businesses to tap into new growth opportunities while contributing to a more inclusive global economy. By doing so, companies can drive innovations from new partnerships and promote shared prosperity, benefiting both themselves and the communities they serve. By understanding and engaging with the BOP market, businesses can create a win-win scenario and can drive growth and innovation while contributing to social progress and economic development. So, that is all for today's session. Thank you so much.